Okay guys, so it's raining and I'm wearing my little hat and I'm going to shoot my Coca-Cola bottle with my airsoft rifle. See what happens. This thing is wet. You guys stay. Nope. Track test stuff. Okay. I got 3 in there. Let's do this. Oh, oh my god, that was awesome. That was awesome. No, there's glass everywhere. Crap. There it is. I didn't mean to do that much damage. I thought it'd just knock it off. Okay, that concludes this video. God, there's shards everywhere. Peace off.